Hi there, this is Lee with Cooper's Bay Outdoors. Today I thought I would go through a little demonstration of the process that we use to make the paracord, braided paracord lanyard on our ferro rods. It's a really simple little skill that you can use to make a braided paracord lanyard, zipper pull, a little keychain or something like that. Again, it's a real simple process, and yeah, it's kind of fun little thing to do when you got a little time on your hands. So let's take a look. All right, the paracord braid that we use on our ferro rods, and I'm going to demonstrate here, we call it a snake braid, and there may be some other names for it, but that's what we call it. And in the world of paracord braiding, it's really one of your kind of your beginner knots. So it's essentially a single strand braid or knot, which means it's just one loop of paracord that you're going to use. So one thing to know about this knot, if you're kind of planning out how much you're going to use or anything like that, is each one of these knots on this braid takes up about 2 inches of paracord. So just in this little section right here, we got 12 knots. There's about 2 feet of paracord, which that's one of the main reasons, or one of the benefits of braiding paracord, is you can really condense some length down into a shorter little compact area. So let's take a look at the process. What you're going to want to do is get yourself a single strand of paracord. Basically, here I've got a piece that I fused together, just so you got 2 different colors. It makes it a little easier to see what you're going to be doing. But you're going to run it through either a ferro rod or a zipper or a keychain or something like that, and you're going to line up the ends and get everything all kind of even at this end. And then you're going to take the strand on your left, you're going to put it over and around the back side of that guy right there. So it should look like that. And then you're going to take this end here and you're going to run it underneath everything, kind of over here, and then just back in that loop right there. And that is it. And then you're just going to gently pull this together, kind of slowly tighten it up, kind of with your fingers, and then you're going to want to tighten everything up real tight. You're going to grab the knot, you're going to pull one side and then pull the other side, get it nice and tight. That's really the key to paracord braiding, at least that I've found, is getting them tight and being consistent with how tight you tighten each knot as you go. Because if you have a loose one and then a tight one, it's going to look a little lumpy. So you just want to be consistent. So we're going to perform that same exact thing, just over and over, as much as you want to braid. Looks like that. And take that, run it underneath, and back through that loop. And just kind of carefully tighten that up, pull it up against the other knot. Once it feels pretty snug there, you're just going to want to tighten that down. One and then the other. So there you have it. I could just keep going along here, but essentially that's how you perform that snake braid that we use on our lanyards. And again, if it was making a zipper pull, something, 6 or 8 knots like that is a nice size for an easy to grab zipper pull. For a ferro rod lanyard, I'd probably run another 6 or 7 knots on here, and You can either, then finish it off with a nice knot on the end, tie it together and have kind of a loop, or you can just cut it off and kind of melt the ends a little bit and just have it flush like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Have fun with it, and see you later.